Wow, Zach, you're like really strong.
Thanks, man. I know.
We found out today that Zach's the idiot of the group.
Bro, that's I'm so pissed, man. I'm so mad. I'm really heated. Like, I thought, I'm not gonna name names, but
I know who you're talking about.
I'm not gonna name names.
I heard this discussion. I heard Reagan was getting the deets.
Oh, you didn't hear the good part though.
No, I heard the good part.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
From who?
Brent.
I didn't tell Brent that part.
Oh, never mind.
I mean, you heard a good part, but you didn't hear the good part.
Perhaps off camera, you can enlighten me.
That's some fishy business right there.
What?
That's some fishy business right there, off camera. What's going on here?
The viewers are gonna have to come down to camps if they want to get involved in the Top V gossip. That's all that's happening.
That's like, just because I can't.
Bro, that's such a pet peeve of mine when there's two different styles of weights on. Two different colors.
Oh yes, that bothers me too.
Gosh, it looks bad.
There's no red
Put
line.
2 black ones. Oh,
There was no.
what are you talking about? What? No, I didn't mean that. I meant it's diagonal.
Yeah, this?
Like this.
Oh yeah, I don't care about that. I'm not really, that's not my pet peeve.
I know, I was just pointing it out.
Oh, they're saying this is, I was like, bro, that's long.
It's the same way that you run in a diagonal line, not a straight line.
Dude. I'm tired.
I wish you would have gotten video.
Bro, it was bad yesterday.
He was like running like this. Like if the cone is here and there, he was running this way. He couldn't run in a straight line.
I was trying to give all I got, and that's all I got. Hips are all tight. I did not get smoked. I would have won. Dude, you
Was Ed watching and that's where this
Huh?
was Ed watching and that's where some things started being said?
No, he wasn't watching. He was in here doing something. I don't know what he's doing.
I don't know what you're talking about. I want to hear what he's talking about now. Save it for after show.
We sure will.
Huh?
All this must have been going on when I was at the lake. Me and Joe.
got today.
You on recovery week? Are you on recovery week?
Yeah. It said 55% under my last power clean. I was so happy.
Yours says 55%?
Yeah, for my last set, it said 55%.
Mine's 60, 60, 65.
Well, yours is week 3. I'm on week 7. Here's a red one for you, Reagan. That way it's not a mixed match.
I got some myself.
This guy.
Deal with it mentally. It'll be good for you.
Mental strength.
It's a rollie, not a stop, boy!
Dealing with stress.
Block is super hot.
Joe's got a shot for the camera.
Lauren! Everyone's watching it.
Huh?
Good Lauren, everyone's watching it.
Dude, if we like spam
Blew
her,
up her like Instagram.
yeah, her Twitter or something, but we just spammed her with the link to the grind. I'm
If
sure
you watch this video, we'll donate $100 to a charity or something like that. I sent you the link about
What he talked about this morning. Yeah, he's on a big old conspiracy.
I know.
I sent him a meme on it this morning of the guy that was like, yeah, he's like, I'm not saying it's aliens, but it's aliens. And then he played into it just this morning when I was being, when I was questioning him on it. He's like, dude, look, I'm not saying it's aliens. And then I was like, that's the exact meme I sent you. Shut up! Suffer in silence, dude.
Oh my lord.
That's all you wanted. That's all you wanted. You wanted to make noise so the camera came over. I see how it is. I heard you. We could hear you. It's okay.
Core's weak. Core's weak.
Oh, you finished out pretty strong. I think it was all a show. It was all an act.
Hey, man. The Oscar's coming, bro. I expect an Emmy for this.
Uh-oh.
Reagan's the king of the court, ladies and gentlemen. He's the best hooper here.
Should run it back.
We might have to give it a...
Run it back.
I might need some show time, you know, to bring the best out of me.
That's right. Oh, I'll put it on.
I'm 7-0. They're 8-0.
Not in twos. You've lost. I think you've lost every single game in twos.
Adam. I'm sorry, Adam, but you're not the best basketball player.
Pick another teammate.
Bro, he said he's bad at basketball, didn't he?
Me? Yeah, I'm terrible.
I mean, he's probably not the best.
I can shoot.
You shoot?
He's terrible.
He's never seen me play.
All right, me and Joe against you and Gary.
You almost call him Blair?
It's a tough matchup, but I'll take it.
Then I'll play that off camera. But I swear, if we played on camera though, I lost. I'm so upset.
He said he was sick today. What'd he say?
I can't say it. Wait.
Let me see it.
What did he say?
Oh, because it was both of you guys.
That's what I heard this morning.
It was both of you guys, but then like you ended up being the victor.
Why?
I don't know.
I can think of one reason why.
No, aren't you Oriental too?
Huh?
Are you Oriental?
Yeah.
Right? Well, that's stereotypical. But...
A little stereotypical racism, but it's okay. We'll let it slide.
It's a compliment. It's a compliment.
It's funny because like
It's not
everybody here would say he is.
Who?
You know what I'm talking about.
Oh, yeah, I know. That's why I laughed so hard.
I know, that's why I think it's funny too.
So I am.
No.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
I
Don't
was
play
I was like, Steve, come on, man. I was like,
Bro,
we know each other for 2 months.
I got your back tough, bro. You know that.
That's gonna really piss you guys off what I'm about to do right here.
No. You can't be serious right now.
That was just for you.
If you do this with ugly form, I'm gonna be so upset.
Do what with ugly form? I'm box squatting.
Oh, I thought you were about to power clean.
I'm on recovery week.
Cool. Wow, Reagan. You're like so strong.
Thanks, man. All because of Steve's nutrition plan. I put on 400 pounds on my back squat in 2 weeks.
You know, I don't appreciate your sarcasm.
That was the busy guy told me I need to work on my box squat.
From the first